Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply glow effect on Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Photoshop. This is my Photoshop application, and then we can choose a photo we want to edit. For instance, I'm going to edit this photo. This one, I'm going to open it, and then if we want to apply the glow effect, we can go to the look menu. And you are going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the contrast punch, this one, or you can also apply this one, the super punch effect, to create glow effect for your photo. Or this is glow effect you can apply as well, and you just need to choose the effect that you like. And for me, I prefer this contrast punch, so I'm gonna select this one, and we can adjust the glow effect like this. You can go right or go left to adjust it. Once you're ready to save your photo, you can click on this icon, and then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to apply glow effect on Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.